Hi guys, welcome back to Detailing and the Beast. We are on day 7 of our Megatest, and today we're going to be looking at the Autobrite Direct Scratchout. So the AD product then, we have the same defects as in our control section, heavy swirling and a really nasty scratch that runs the entire length. This is catchable by finger. The one above it, slightly above it there, you can see these two are not catchable by your finger, but this definitely is. This one isn't either. So we'll give this a go and see what results we get. Now, the AD product is the only one in our Megatest of all of these products that we've been doing this week, and we'll continue to do until we get to the final results. This one is the only one that mentions that it's designed to be used with both hand and machine use and will remove fine to heavy scratches. It's the only one in this test that mentions heavy scratches. Swirl marks, removes oxidization and restores tarnished paint from all painted surfaces, including painted alloy wheels, headlights and more. This is one of my favourites. I have this from my personal arsenal. So again, a purchased product, as were all of these. So let's see if this does the business. The instructions for the Autobrite product, very similar to the rest. Couple of pea-sized drops. And it does say to work this in for 2 minutes until scratch out hazes, buff off the residue and then repeat if necessary. So we've been running all of these tests up to a maximum of 10 minutes so we can have 5 applications at this. I will get on with that. If I need 5, I will do 5. And I will be back with you in a few minutes. So that's the end of the 10 minutes. We did get to the 10 minutes using the AD Scratchout. I'm just going to buff this back now for the final time. I won't be doing it again, regardless of the state. It did need hitting again after every single one of them times. And I'll bring you in closer now for a look compared to our control section. So the AD Scratchout product is £12 for 250ml. So it's one of the bigger products that we've got in this Megatest, but it is also one of the more expensive. But as you can see, compared to our control section and what we had before, it's not done a bad job at all. I'll just get the torch and show you under some direct light. This is our control section. As you can see, really heavy, medium and light scratches, and then the medium induced swirl marks. And it's taken care of a good portion of them. The scratch is still visible. That one at the bottom less so, but it is still there. And if you had that on your car and you went to that to me is a marked improvement. And I've got to say, I think I'd be happy with that one. So that's it for this video. The final test in our Megatest is going to be the Autoglim Scratch Remover Kit, which is sitting over there waiting to be used. That's the final one, and then we can compare all of these that we've done over the past week and see which one of these can be declared the winner. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Goodbye.